Hey everyone, thanks for visiting us at ArkLaTex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Monday morning forecast update. Starting out, we do have some cool temperatures as we are in the 30s and 40s, and clouds starting to increase across the region. We actually have a warm front that will move north out of the Gulf of Mexico today. So after what was a cold, kind of blustery weekend behind our strong cold front that brought some of the severe weather Friday night, Saturday morning, we should begin a warming trend today. Yesterday, high temperatures were in the 40s. Today, we should be back into the 60s. And you can see there is a bit of a south wind returning across the region this morning, and eventually that will try to push some rain in, and that's mainly south of I-20. Very low rain chances for most of us today. I've gone with a 20% in the forecast, and that will mainly be across the Toledo Bend region, but there is a possibility we could see some rain maybe as far north as Shreveport a little bit later this afternoon. So you can see there's a stationary front down along the coast, some pretty strong thunderstorms actually popping up just southeast of the ArkLaTex this morning. Really don't anticipate that we'll see anything as far as any strong to severe weather in the ArkLaTex, but the SPC, the Storm Prediction Center, is on the lookout here for maybe a few storms that can produce some high wind or also some hail across the region, but mainly a hail threat with anything that we see a little bit later today. And I'll show you that map, but I think most of us will stay dry as we continue through your Monday. You can see the temperatures will be in the 40s, quickly jumping into the 60s by noon as that warm front makes its way in, and should see highs today in the low to mid 60s, which puts everybody back above normal today after being stuck in the 40s throughout the weekend. There's a look at Futurecast from Robbins Toyota, which does show, again, the cloud cover increasing this morning. Futurecast really doesn't show much rain out there, and some of the other forecast models are showing the same thing, so that's why I've kept the rain chances fairly low. But tonight we will see a better chance of some showers and storms across the region, especially as far north as Shreveport, and we will see some of this rain continue Tuesday. Well, likely what will happen is this front will continue to move back and forth across the region, so we will see those scattered rain chances pretty much each day this week, and we'll actually see temperatures warm into the 70s for much of the upcoming week as well. So there is a look at the severe weather outlook map for today. Really just some of our eastern parishes in Louisiana, including just a little sliver of Bossier Parish in that marginal risk. Means maybe one or two of these storms capable of producing some large hail. No kind of wind or tornado threat really with the storms today. And with those scattered rain chances through the week, you'll see on the 7-day forecast, pretty messy looking 7-day, but all in all, not going to see a ton of rain this week, but we will see some scattered showers out there each day, even a few thunderstorms as well. By the time it's all said and done, north of I-20, where we have a cold front later this week, we could potentially see maybe some 1 to 2 inch rainfall accumulations, which isn't going to cause us any issues if that's how it all plays out. So you see I've gone with the 40-50% rain chances here for the next few days. Again, won't be a washout, but just some rain out there each day. Overnight lows will be on the mild side as well, 50s and 60s for the next few nights, and eventually drying out with another cool weekend on the way.